Finally got it.
And she finally got it. Believe it or not, she has another five to go. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Today, we're going to be presenting three videos from TikTok. I found them rather amusing, but as always, informative from a parts and service standpoint. Okay? But before we begin, remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide, Proven Strategies Used to Improve Sales and Process, to increase sales and process improvement, now available online. The link will be in the description box below. So, without further ado, let's get right into this first one.
I was the only one in the shop today and was almost defeated by a few lug nuts.
Now, before we go any further, I'm not going to make fun of her, but just imagine today's modern dealerships are now equipped with a transparent glass. Well, an area, the waiting area now has the facilities being done, restructured in order to have waiting customers look at what is going on directly inside the shop. Yes, they now exist like that. And imagine one of the customers there waiting and seeing all this happening at the time when they're waiting for their car. No, this is a sight to behold, but I understand exactly what she's going through. And at this point, what is going through my mind is that song that says, "Anything you can do, I can do better." But let's not go there. She's almost had it. Just wait a minute, it is coming.
Finally got it.
And she finally got it. Believe it or not, she has another five to go. Okay, let's move on to another one.
The easiest way to mount a tire on a car. Prove me wrong.
And there you have it, innovation at work. That's all it takes. A little bit of facing the challenges, know what's work and what can work for you based on the circumstances. That is all it takes. And mechanics do this every time, try to get around and alleviate the problems that they will encounter. And it also depends on your capacity and capability and not overdoing a lot of the things that is made a lot simpler. Okay, I have another video here that has been making the rounds on social media, and I thought it best to show it to you and have your comments below. So let's take a look at it.
There's a big problem. Tesla's an electric car, right?
Yeah.
Fully electric. I don't understand what the gas is for then.
Well, because if you're fully out, gotta
You got to charge it? Okay,
juice up.
show me what you mean. Let's pop.
So,
Where's the gas going to go? Show me.
so
basically it goes in here. This is the wait, and that plugs into here, and that plugs into there, and then you're good to go. It's a weird system.
Oh my gosh, is that a gasoline generator?
It is, yeah. That's how you get the electricity to run. You got a Honda-powered Tesla.
You're going, bro. You could have gotten a Honda, and you could have just saved all of this, and you'd be done. You're going to.
You needed gas. I tried to tell you.
No. This is not it. This is the weirdest. Nobody has ever run a Tesla off of gasoline. Like,
Well, yes, nobody has ever done it until now. And this is why human beings are so resilient in the way how we think and the way how we take on challenges. Now, he's in a situation that he needs to get to where he's going. And if he's going to be driving an electric car, then you need to have the contingencies in place in order for when stuff happens. Because believe you me, it will happen.
this before. All right, we'll get this thing out and let's charge it up.
No,
You're going-
fill it up. You fill it up with gas.
Babe, he's going to charge his electric car with gasoline from a Honda.
I thought his battery was dead.
I still don't get it. I just know that sometimes you break down and cars just run out of gas and it's a long road.
Yeah? I can't believe I actually helped a Tesla charge itself with gasoline. This is the. So how long you need to charge it up? You good? Like we'll leave you here with the gas. Feel free, have it.
Yeah, I think maybe like 5 minutes, and then I can make it to a gas station.
Make it to stop. Go to a charger. What are you?
And there you have it. Go to a charger because the charging stations are far and few in between. And that's basically where it is. We're just not there yet. And until we have charging station in close proximities as popular as gas stations right now, then we can go ahead and say, okay, let us boost these numbers for electric cars. Now imagine tow truck operators are now going to have to get generators such as these in order to help and assist in their daily work, because as electric cars evolve and get more popular and more people are in a position to afford one, and they are now the common and mainstay on our roads every day, then the tow truck operators now going to have to walk around with generators such as these in order to facilitate and assist those who are in need of charging stations. Remember, if you're driving on a long highway and there are no charging stations in play, then companies like CAA and emergency tow services are going to have to utilize systems like these, that what you just saw here, in order to facilitate and have the ease and have part of this as their tool to assist their customers. Well, let me know what you think. Like always, please leave your comments below. Smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Until next time.